Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today is going to be about pruning definitely the front of our house. We have hydrangeas that need pruned, but really the big thing is our rose bush. Dun dun dun. I already pruned our climbing rose bush over here. I don't know if you can see that despite all the toys and hoses. This rose bush has been pruned. And it's healthy and beautiful. It's a David Austin. I'll put a picture of the rose that it produces. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a Bobo hydrangea and 3 limelight hydrangeas. And then over here we have a knockout rose bush. But as you can see you see those black spots on the canes? They're virtually everywhere. On almost every single cane, almost. So I'm gonna be hard pruning these to get all that out. That is that a bacteria or a virus? One or the other. Either way, it needs cut, and then I'm gonna copper fungicide it, or fungicide. And you see our cat, he likes to lay under this. He's gonna be mad when I cut it. And then I'm going to put rose tone, which is a rose fertilizer, on it, and just get it ready for spring. I know it's already pushing out leaves, but I mean, even if this dies, it's better than, I have 2 other down the row. You can see that first one. I already have 2 other knockout rose bushes. So we're looking to make sure that those don't get this as well. So we're gonna cut all this out and then tend to the other rose bushes. So all I need today are pruners, and I wanted to point out I am definitely going to clean and sanitize between every cut. Notice I didn't say every plant. I'm going to clean between every single cut on this bush. There's just too much disease in it, and I don't want to even spread it amongst canes. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. Okay, here is the new plant, guys. It is tiny. You see, like here, over here. I kind of want to get this one out too. It's got some bad black spot on it, but there's still things that are growing on here. This is a weed. It should grow. If it doesn't, I'm more than happy to replace this. It's over 25 years old, so I'm good. This rose bush, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me put my hand in front of it. Also has some with black spot, but not all of them. So I'll be pruning those out too. This is the one next to the one with black spot. Okay, I've got you on the back side of my hydrangeas, and This is the best view because the front view, actually there's too many flowers. I'm gonna go in. They tell you with paniculata, you wanna do your pruning about 1/3. So you can see these, I don't know if you can see that, the swollen buds. Can you see these swollen buds right here? But I'm gonna go ahead and prune all of these by 1/3. And then all the little weak, tiny, spindly branches, I'm gonna prune those out, and anything that's crossing or dead. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. So there's the first one done. Here goes the second one. Well, there you have it. That's another year of rose pruning and hydrangea pruning. And right now, Elijah is watering in that fertilizer that we just did. So remember, if you have any diseases, you're gonna wanna clean your pruners between every cut. Other than that, you'll want to do it between every plant. You'll want to go ahead and use alcohol or 1 part Clorox to 8 parts bleach, and just get in there and make sure and prune so that you can have healthy plants and big blooms. So remember, if we can prune our roses and our hydrangeas, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.